In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency in your Google Ads account with a few simple steps. Whether you run international campaigns or want your account to match your local currency, this guide will make the process easy. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Ads website. Click Sign In at the top right and enter your account details. Make sure you're using the correct account linked to your campaigns. Once you're in, look for the Tools and Settings icon at the top, usually a wrench or gear. From the drop-down, select Admin. Then click Account Settings to see your account preferences, including currency and time zone. In Google Ads, currency and time zone are linked. Check your current currency here. Keep in mind that once it's set, it can't be changed. If you need a different currency, you'll have to create a new account and select the correct currency during setup. When setting up a new account, choose your billing country, time zone, and currency carefully. You can link multiple accounts using a manager account to manage different currencies easily. If you have active campaigns, export your data first. Go to the Campaigns tab and download reports in CSV or Excel format to save historical data. This helps maintain accurate tracking when switching accounts. Your currency affects bids, daily budgets, and reporting metrics. Make sure your new account matches your campaign goals and target audience. Choose a currency that aligns with your billing location or where most of your customers are. Google Ads offers multiple payment methods like credit cards, bank transfers, or manual payments. Each one processes in the account's selected currency, keeping your finances consistent. Remember, performance metrics like cost, CPC, and conversion value reflect your account currency. If managing multiple accounts with different currencies, convert metrics to compare results accurately. If you need help, Google Ads Help Center provides articles and support for billing, currency, and account setup. To summarize, you can't directly change currency in an existing account. Creating a new account with the correct currency and linking it to a manager account is the best approach. Export your data, check settings, and plan carefully to keep campaigns running smoothly. Following these steps ensures accurate reporting, proper billing, and easy campaign management. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Ads tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.